kindergartners came to OP to get to learn all about orchestra, to learn about band, to learn about the choir that's here and the arts that are here at OP. They've got to touch the instruments and meet all the wonderful students here at OP, bringing our community together.
My favorite part for today was singing, because we get to go on the stage. My favorite part of today was meeting everybody.
Oh, it was super fun. So when I was younger, the high school used to come to elementary school, so it was cool to be on the other end of it. When I was in elementary school, when I saw it, I thought I wanted to be a band kid, and then I saw the choir perform, and it changed my entire life.
It was really cool, actually. It was so fun getting on stage with my violin and looking out on them and seeing all their faces, and then seeing their faces after we played and just how inspired they were. It was really cool, inspiring the next generation of musicians.
I think it was the coolest thing seeing how they reacted to how we played and how after the performance they came up to us saying, "I want to play